Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating journey of computer evolution, from bulky machines powered by vacuum tubes to the sleek AI-driven devices we use today. Let's break it down generation by generation, using visuals to guide us through history. First generation, 1940 to 1956. We begin in 1946 with the first generation of computers. These giants used vacuum tubes as their main component. Think of machines like the ENIAC, EDVAC, and IBM 701. They were massive, consumed tons of electricity, generated a lot of heat, and required air conditioning just to stay operational. They were slow, expensive, and only understood machine language. But they laid the foundation for everything that came after. Second generation, 1956 to 1963. By the late 1950s, transistors replaced vacuum tubes. This marked the second generation. Computers like the IBM 7094 and UNIVAC 1108 became more reliable, faster, and smaller. They still needed air conditioning and weren't portable, but they consumed less power and were more affordable. This era introduced assembly language and early programming languages like COBOL and Fortran. Third generation, 1964 to 1971. Next came integrated circuits, or ICs, which revolutionized computing in the third generation. Machines like the IBM 360 series and PDP systems were faster, more compact, and more efficient. They still weren't portable and required cooling, but they were a huge leap forward. This generation introduced operating systems and allowed multiple programs to run simultaneously. Fourth generation, 1971 to present. Now we enter the fourth generation, powered by microprocessors and VLSI technology, very large-scale integration. Computers like the Cray supercomputers and personal systems like the DEC-10 became smaller, cheaper, and more powerful. They no longer needed air conditioning, were portable, and consumed even less electricity. This is when the Internet emerged, and computers became widely available to the public. Fifth generation, present and beyond. Finally, we arrive at the fifth generation. These computers are built on ULSI, ultra-large-scale integration, and feature technologies like parallel processing and superconductors. They're incredibly fast, highly reliable, and energy efficient. Devices like laptops, ultrabooks, and AI-powered systems dominate this era. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's integrated into our daily lives, from smart assistants to predictive algorithms. Quick recap. First gen, vacuum tubes huge and slow. Second gen, transistors smaller and faster. Third gen, ICs, multitasking begins. Fourth gen, microprocessors, internet, and portability. Fifth gen, AI, parallel processing, and smart computing. Closing thoughts. The evolution of computers isn't just about hardware. It's about how each generation changed the way we live, work, and connect. From room-sized machines to pocket-sized powerhouses, the journey has been nothing short of revolutionary. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Drop a comment below. What generation of computers fascinates you the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.